Get ready with me video. So today I'm gonna go pick up my little sister with my brother. My big brother, so I'm still waiting. Now because my was time yesterday. Just letting my auntie do my hair, so I already put the outfit, so I'll put the outfit. It was not like easy to smell, but got myself some stuff. What? I literally was yesterday. This is the room where you get your clothes. I love doing this every single night. I literally do this, and I never stop doing it because it's so fun. We're gonna go for the video, but you guys cannot see. I will show you guys the outfit and also what the bloopers with my guys. This is the outfit. We're gonna show this out, so I don't things to do, so let's do it. I was mine so I cannot get wet or something. I just use the brush. It's really bad.
Ito ay dalagang kapag he's out because
She gonna fall. I don't think my mom's makeup just to make my thing look cute. And it matches cherries. So, huh? Guys, I will brush. Yeah. And basically, I will. Don't cry, pom pom. Don't cry, my squirrel pom pom. Finally,
Jay no ayo la sa pis ka sa bio. O kami mamantuy. Mainit at paamo ko doon.
Equinox.
Kapag mayo na mo kay Fabi ko mga mo siya. Hindi siya ako kuya.